Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Acura TL navigation code, full guide. Begin by locating your VIN and the radio serial number, both often needed for code requests. Next, choose dealer, online service, or DIY route depending on budget and urgency. Keep proof of ownership and identification ready, as many providers require it. I'll walk through each option clearly, including free tricks and paid services, so you can pick the best fit. Contacting a dealership is often the most reliable way to retrieve a navigation code, and they can confirm vehicle eligibility quickly. Provide your VIN, radio serial number, proof of ownership, and photo ID, and they'll process the request. Some dealers charge a modest fee for this service, but they can program the unit on site if needed. I'll explain what to expect during the visit and how long it usually takes to get your code. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to keep these walkthroughs coming, and share with friends who need navigation help. Quick recommendation: Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious. Your support helps me make more helpful content, and it's a small way to say thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Online services and DIY checks can be faster and cheaper than dealer visits, but they vary in reliability. Start by searching the glove box, owner manual, or past service invoices for any stored code information. If you choose an online service, pick one with verified reviews and clear refund policies to avoid scams. I'll outline trusted steps, what information to submit, and how to protect your payment and personal data when using these services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.